Hello everybody, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a guided reading with you so you can improve your reading in Portuguese. You can also practice speaking afterwards. You can give a pause on this video and try to repeat after me so you will improve your vocabulary, your reading, and your speaking. And if you want, you can challenge yourself and write down the sentences afterwards without looking. So you have to memorize this text, okay? It's like an actor kind of a deal. So, all right, let's work on this text together. I'm going to be reading twice this text here so you guys can hear the way I speak on a normal speed and most Brazilians. And afterwards, we're going to make some notes here so you can learn some link words, some contractions, some vocabulary. All right, let's get started and let's go. Hoje acordei, fui caminhar, tomei banho, preparei meu café da manhã, fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom, respondi 60 e-mails, fiz 5 ligações, almocei, tirei um cochilo por 30 minutos, ouvi um podcast sobre investimentos, criei conteúdo para o Instagram, comi um pão com queijo, tomei um cafezinho, adiantei todo o trabalho de amanhã, fui na academia, fiz minha janta, coloquei um audiobook enquanto arrumava o quarto para dormir e assisti Netflix das 10 à meia-noite. Okay, let's do our second reading. Let's go. Hoje acordei, fui caminhar, tomei banho, preparei meu café da manhã, fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom, respondi 60 e-mails, fiz 5 ligações, almocei, tirei um cochilo por 30 minutos, ouvi um podcast sobre investimentos, criei conteúdo pro Instagram, comi um pão com queijo, tomei um cafezinho, adiantei todo o trabalho de amanhã, fui na academia, fiz minha janta, coloquei um audiobook enquanto arrumava o quarto para dormir e assisti Netflix das 10 à meia-noite. Okay, guys, let's start making some notes here. So, if you notice all of these texts, oops, what a terrible draw. This is all in the simple past, okay? All of this is talking about what I did yesterday, right? Because I'm describing from the time I woke up until the time I went to bed. So this is in the simple past form. Now we're going to work with you all of those verbs for the first person in the singular, eu, conjugated in the simple past. Okay, so acordei, fui, I went to walk. So fui is in the simple past. Tomar, preparei, fiz, respondi, almocei, tirei, ouvi, criei, comi, tomei. Look at tomar, guys. Tomei, so many tomeis here. And then also adiantei, fui, fiz, coloquei, and we also have here while. This is while, connecting the thoughts. I did this while I was doing that. Was doing is past continuous. Then assisti. All right, let's take a look at these vocabularies and how we can pronounce them, and let's learn a couple of things here. So today is hoje. I woke up. The phrasal verb woke up is acordei in Portuguese. Remember, everything is in the simple past, conjugated for I, eu. All right? So hoje eu acordei. Today I woke up. Fui caminhar. Remember, when you have an R at the end, you don't need to pronounce this R. It's optional. You can have the Carioca accent, Paulista accent, the Mineiro accent, any accent if you want, if you pronounce this R. But you don't need to pronounce this R at all if you don't want either. So I went. So because we all know I'm talking about myself, you don't need to add I went, I took, I. So we just leave the verb, direct the verb, okay? So went to walk, caminhar is to walk. Tomei banho, I took a shower. So this is the expression for taking a bath or taking a shower. Took a shower. Preparei meu café da manhã. So, preparei. We can use the verb get in this case, but in the simple past would be got. Preparei meu café da manhã, or I made. We can also use made my breakfast. I made my breakfast. I think the better verb here in this case, it would be make and made in the simple past, because you made your breakfast. You went there, you cooked your whatever, your bread, or you fried your eggs, and then you poured your coffee. So I think made is better. So preparei meu café da manhã. Don't forget that café da manhã is breakfast, and if here instead of a you have e, café de manhã means coffee in the morning. Café da manhã, breakfast is only café da, okay? Always have to be with the a, café da manhã. Fiz uma reunião. I did, the verb do in the simple past. I did uma reunião, a meeting, uma reunião com meu chefe. Chefe é boss. With my boss, okay? And then remember the pronunciation trick for is at the end. Chefe, chefe. Pelo Zoom, Zoom. There's a U sound there and a little nasal N sound. Zoom. Fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom. Respondi. Look the E here. Respondi. I answered 60 e-mails. E-mails. Então, it's like you're pronouncing like this. E-mail. And then the U. E-mails. Like there's a little I in between. E-mails. Fiz 5 ligações. I made 5 phone calls. Ligações doesn't have the phone word on it, but we know it's about a phone call, so it would be 5 phone calls. Almocei comes from the verb to have lunch in Portuguese. So almoço means lunch as a noun. Oh, I got my lunch, that's a noun. Or I will have lunch as a verb. It would be the verb almoçar in Portuguese, which becomes almocei in the simple past. Tirei cochilo. Okay, that's an expression to say I took a nap. Cochilo would be a nap. I took a nap for 30 minutes. So why do you use por, not para? When you're talking about for how many minutes you did something, or many hours, or days, or months, you use por, not para, okay? So in this case, we're talking about we took a nap for 30 minutes, so we use por, not para. Por 30. Remember, if you can't roll your R, 30, you can do 30 with your American R. So 30 minutos. Ouvi, look at this E here, podcast. Podcast in Portuguese is pronounced pod, like podcast, as there was an E at the end. Podcast, ouvi podcast sobre, about investments, investimentos. There's like a U sound here. About investimentos. Criei. It's like the letter A in English. Every time you have this ending, it's like the letter A in English. Criei. Conteúdo. You sound here. Conteúdo pro. Pro is pra plus o. Pro. Why? Because is the preposition para plus o, the article o, because Instagram is a masculine word. So para plus o become pro. Instead of saying para o Instagram, you combine them. Para o pro. Pro Instagram. Oh, sorry, I forgot. This is a capital letter here. So it's Instagram because it's the name of a brand. And then comi pão com queijo. I ate a bread with cheese. Comi pão. Look at the pronunciation, nasal sound. Pão. If you hold your 2 fingers on your nose like this, you're gonna have so much nasal sound. So try that exercise for a month and see how your nasal sounds are gonna improve a lot. And let me know here in the comments. So, pão com queijo. You sound. Tomei cafezinho. The verb tomar. We use more tomar to say we drank something than the translation that is usually beber cafezinho. So tomar is a verb we use a lot instead of beber. Tomei cafezinho. Espresso coffee. It comes on a small cup in Brazil and we call cafezinho. Little cafezinho. Adiantei todo o trabalho. Todo o trabalho. So, I advanced all the homework. Sorry, not homework. If you are studying and have a college work, you can say homework, but this is about an adult working. So I advanced all the work de amanhã of tomorrow. Fui na academia. Academia is gym. Academia. This is the strongest syllable. Mia. Academia. Fiz minha janta. So I cooked my dinner or I made my dinner. This is the verb to do and it could be translated as made as well. Minha janta. This comes from the verb jantar as well, but this also means dinner as a noun, like my dinner, okay? Coloquei audiobook. I put, colocar, put an audiobook. Coloquei audiobook. Why didn't you say you played? Né? Eu toquei. Well, we could use coloquei audiobook, meaning that you're playing an audiobook, you're listening to an audiobook in Portuguese, okay? Enquanto, while, arrumava o quarto. O qua. This sounds like cua, like this, cu, a. Quarto, 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 but fast, quarto, quarto. Para dormir. E assisti, and this is in the simple past. E assisti, and I watched Netflix. E assisti Netflix. It's like there's an E here. Netflix. Kiss, like this, kiss. Okay, hold on. This looks terrible. It's like there's an E and then S at the end. Netflix, das 10 à meia-noite. Meia-noite is 12 a.m., okay? Meia-noite, midnight. 10 à meia-noite. 10 until midnight. So, that's our notes for this text. Now I'm going to read twice again. If you need, stop this video, try to pronounce yourself, try to read the words so you can improve your vocabulary and your speaking and your pronunciation all at once in only one video. And let's go. Let me read this again and let me know here if it was easier to understand me when I read the last 2 times. Hoje acordei, fui caminhar, tomei banho, preparei meu café da manhã, fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom, respondi 60 e-mails. Zoom is also capital letter, just like Instagram. Hoje acordei, fui caminhar, tomei banho, preparei meu café da manhã, fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom, respondi 60 e-mails, fiz 5 ligações, almocei, tirei um cochilo por 30 minutos, ouvi um podcast sobre investimentos, criei conteúdo pro Instagram, comi um pão com queijo, tomei cafezinho, adiantei todo o trabalho de amanhã, fui na academia, fiz minha janta, coloquei um audiobook enquanto arrumava o quarto para dormir e assisti Netflix das 10 à meia-noite. Okay, and our last reading of today. Hoje acordei, fui caminhar, tomei banho, preparei meu café da manhã, fiz uma reunião com meu chefe pelo Zoom, respondi 60 e-mails, fiz 5 ligações, almocei, tirei um cochilo por 30 minutos, ouvi um podcast sobre investimentos, criei conteúdo para o Instagram, comi um pão com queijo, tomei um cafezinho, adiantei todo o trabalho de amanhã, fui na academia, fiz minha janta, coloquei um audiobook enquanto arrumava o quarto para dormir e assisti Netflix das 10 à meia-noite. Alright, guys, that's it for today. If you're not subscribed here to my channel, don't forget to click here on the button and turn on your ring bell there to notify you when I post new videos. And also comment here if this video was helpful to you. I will see you next time. Bye bye.